The Hollywood actor Michael Douglas has been talking frankly about his throat cancer, saying it was being caused by oral sex. He was diagnosed with the disease 3 years ago, but he told a newspaper it was nothing to do with too much smoking or drinking. The HPV virus has been linked to one kind of throat cancer, but experts say it would be hard to identify a single cause. And tonight, the actor's agent appeared to backtrack on the remarks. Our science reporter Asha Tanna has more.
Michael Douglas has graced our screens for 40 years. He's best known for his role in Wall Street as the alpha trader Gordon Gekko.
Greed, for lack of a better word, is good.
But even off camera, he's remained firmly in the spotlight. His hospital admission in the 1990s, some thought was for sex addiction. He says it was for alcohol abuse. Today, in a frank interview with The Guardian newspaper, he told one journalist he believes he developed his throat cancer from performing oral sex on women. He said,
"Because without wanting to get too specific, this particular cancer is caused by HPV.
The human papillomavirus, HPV, is known to cause cancer and warts in the genital region. The HPV virus is very common. If you've ever been sexually active, you've probably had it. For 90% of people, it doesn't cause any harm. But it's the 10% who have low immunity and can't shift the virus who are more at risk of developing cancer. Health experts say smoking and drinking are the main causes of oral cancer, but the virus is likely to be a factor. One charity says his comments have helped to raise awareness.
Oral cancer is an issue that's not talked about that much, and I think it is important that people are aware of this as a condition, and also that they're aware of the potential symptoms of oral cancer so they know what to look out for.
The medical world says mouth cancer is uncommon, but in the last 10 years there has been an increase. There are now 6,000 cases each year in oral cancer due to the rise in HPV-related cancers. There are more than 100 strains of HPV, but only 20 strains are believed to be linked to cancer. Although cancer is not contagious, the virus which can trigger it is. Only women and girls in the UK are offered a vaccine against HPV. But this doctor thinks men and boys should also be included.
If we vaccinate women, there is some what's called herd immunity to men who have sex with women because they get some protection that way. But for homosexual men, men who have sex with men, that can't happen. So they get no protection at all from the vaccination of girls.
Tonight, his agent played down Mr. Douglas's comments. 3 years on, the star is cancer-free. He was at stage 4 when he had treatment, a sign experts say that recovery rates for HPV-related cancers are higher and people are less likely to die from them.